Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Female education. Napoleon said, "Give me an educated mother, and I will give you an educated nation." From this statement, we can very easily realize the importance of female education. An educated mother can produce a good citizen. So, in order to have good citizens, female education is a must. Female education is not a new concept. Almost all religions have encouraged female education. The Prophet of Islam has made education compulsory for both men and women. The half of our population is women. No nation can make real progress keeping a full half of its population in the dark. So, all-out education should be imparted to women folk so that they may come forward and work in hand with men in all development programs. The lack of female education leads to widespread practice of child marriage, marginalization, discrimination, and exclusion from health and economic opportunities. This situation also makes women folk vulnerable to violence and sexual abuse. Female literacy has risen in our country remarkably for the last decade. At present, female literacy rate is about 70%, while it was only 43% in 2009. It is a good sign because without their education, satisfactory development is not possible. It is true that an educated mother can give us an educated nation. An educated woman is conscious of her duties, responsibilities, health, sanitization, etc. In the recent years, the government has given special emphasis on female education. Primary education up to class 8 for girls has already been made compulsory. The government is giving the allowance, stipend, and free education facilities to the female students. These facilities have inspired many poor parents to send their daughters to school. As a result, the number of female students is increasing day by day. The moot point is that somehow or other we have to educate our female citizens. We should be committed to building up an educated new generation. To do that, we have to create good mothers, and to create good mothers, we have to ensure female education.